Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I am finally finished with my vest, and I wanted to show it to you and see what I guess you thought of it. Not that you're ever going to leave me a comment or anything, but I thought I would show it off. And when I finally got it finished, so here's the front of it here. You can see the lacing in the back with this one line braid. It turns out pretty nice on the back side, as long as you keep it all rolling the same way. You know, sometimes it's difficult, like there, but that one is just a piece of fringe. It's on the back here where I slapped up a couple beads. So I wanted to just kind of show you what it looked like. I used walnut buttons. I thought that because he was in the walnut business, that walnut buttons would be appropriate. And you can see how I cut in my holes here. I just cut in slats that were just as wide as the walnuts were, and a little extra, so it provided for being able to slip right on through there. You can see I did more of a whip stitch around the buttonholes. That's so it provided some sort of flexibility and a little bit of stretch. I did the darts on the side because to pull in the back side, I had originally put in just a strip of leather going all the way down, but when I tried it on him for the second time, I noticed there was a little bit of the back end was a little slack jawed back here, and so in order to pull it in, I pulled in the back end of it and put in a dart on each side. Here's the back with however it came out, I guess. And I also did another vest for the foreman there, and that's this one here. I did the same thing with the walnuts on the front. I just had this laying around already framed out, put together, so I figured I could just finalize it up and dress it up. I put in a dart here in the back, a little bit different than how I did it here. Although I did have to cut a little bit out of here, and then I had to pinch it in here that much. So I was able to take out about 5 inches from the bottom where it kind of flared out and stuck out. And well, leather likes to be form-fitting. It doesn't really like to be hanging around unless it's a soft leather. This is buffalo here, so it's pretty thick. So anyhow, it's a couple days after Christmas now. I'm sure that I worked on this all day yesterday and was able to finally get it all finished up. And so it's I believe it's Thursday, and should be a good day not to be taking the weekend off early and taking Friday off and not be there. So I make the trip and take them down and deliver them, get rid of them. I'll be out of my shop, out of my hair. This is Desert Artist. I'm out of here. Thank you very much.